Manufacturing can mean a lot of things. It can mean a few really big things. It can be fancy things. Whew, this is very nice. This stuff, and this stuff, no matter what you manufacture, more is going into it than most people realize. Take trains. When you think of trains, maybe you think of this, or this, or this. But making trains also involves this. It involves that. Sometimes it's about this. The fact is, like manufacturing itself, trains connect and power economies around the world. The people who do it source parts and raw materials. They oversee maintenance. They run financials, operational planning, and ESG reporting. They manage the workforce. They make decisions based on AI-driven analytics. All that to make trains. It's complicated. And the companies that do it best run it all on a cloud-based platform, a system that unites finance, planning, HR, supply chain, and manufacturing with IoT, AI, and machine learning. The result? Smart factories with insights and predictions from every point in the business. With real-time visibility, better process control, increased output and quality. All for a happier and more efficient workforce. Because when every handoff, every transaction is all part of the same integrated system, then building resiliency, sustainability, and a shared culture becomes second nature.
Now boarding.
I got a train to catch.